What is good, 7th graders? We are starting SP3-4, where we're looking at centers of variability, which is a big word for mean, median, mode, and range. All right, so I think you've talked about these before. This is kind of a review, but mean is where you find the average. Another word for it is average. So you add all the numbers together. And then you divide by the number of numbers. Okay, so if there was 5 different numbers, you'd first add them all together and then divide by 5. Median is the middle, but you have to put them in order from least to greatest, or put in numerical order. And then find the middle. Okay, the median of the road is the middle. Like on the interstate, it's the grassy part in the middle. So you can remember median is the middle. Mode is the number that appears most often. And there can be multiple modes. Or there could be no mode. If all numbers just appear once, there's no mode. So there can be multiple or none. Okay? Range is taking the largest number minus the smallest. So what is the span of numbers from the smallest to the biggest? How far does it go? Mean absolute deviation, also called MAD, is where you take the average, subtract it, absolute value, and then find the average of that. Say we 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 4 numbers. We'll add those together. We get 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So our average is 5. So we're going to subtract our average from each number. We get -3 here, -1 here, +1 here, and 3 here. We need to do the absolute value of all of those because we only want the positive numbers. And then we find the average of the difference. So we add those together. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. We divide that by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So in this data set, the MAD is 2. Okay, and what the MAD is used for in real life in statistics is to determine how reliable and how accurate your data is. So the smaller the MAD, it means you have a better sample, a closer results, more reliable data. Okay, this is how we do it right here. Write all that down so you have an example of MAD in your notes. That's all the notes in. Let's get to some examples.